So I'm back with another video. I'm really excited for this video because I'm doing another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. A bunch of you guys were really upset that I didn't do a try on last time. And by a bunch of you, I mean like 2 people. But I'm going to do a try on for you guys today. So if you're interested and you want to know what I got in my Stitch Fix box, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Yeehaw! Okay, so I got the Stitch Fix right on time. It said it was going to get to my door on April 6th, and it did. I meant to film this last night, but I actually went to the movies instead. I saw A Quiet Place, which was amazing. If you guys haven't seen it yet, then go see it. It's so good. The acting is like phenomenal. It's so good. But anyway, it's not a movie review video. Like I said, I got this box yesterday and I really couldn't wait to see what was inside. However, I didn't try anything on yet. So I figured I would save that for the video. I did look at the prices and it made me a little upset because I'm like, I really like some things, but they cost a lot and I'm just not quite sure I want to spend that much money on it. So I have my box right here. So let's just open it. Here is like the bundle that I got. Like, it's not perfect because I already looked at it. It comes with the letter. Happy Fix Day, Amy. Thank you for your feedback. I'm sorry that you weren't happy with the price of the items in your fix. I feel like a cheapskate. I've included pieces that are within your selected price range or as close as possible. You mentioned that you're loving frayed hem jeans, so I pulled this pair from KFTK with a 2-tone detail for you to try. I really did say that I wanted a pair of the hem-lined jeans, so that's really cool that she put those in there. And then she's asking me how the fit and style of these jeans are for you. I haven't tried them on yet, so don't know, girlfriend. Style with the lush blouse and layer with a with a chic spring jacket for a lunch date eating al fresco. Rock these jeans with the Napian C RD peplum top and add your clutch from your first fix. Oh, that's cute. Remembered what I kept from my last Stitch Fix, which was the only thing I kept, by the way. The THML embroidered dress will take you right into spring adventures. Pair with a wedge and add the Bancroft bracelet. Pair with a wedge and add the Bancroft bracelet. I just read that sentence. Are you more comfortable with these prices moving forward? Your feedback is so appreciated. XO, Claudia. Well, thanks, Claude. Do you mind if I call you Claude? I'll just start with my accessory and then I'll let you guys know the price on everything as well. Okay. Okay, so it just comes in this little box. And let's see. Well, I already saw what it is, so I'm going to show you. So basically it's this gold, which I love. I'm so thankful she didn't send me silver. I love fashion jewelry, so it's really cute. Like I said, it's just a bangle, nothing crazy, but it is really cute. So the price on the bracelet is $28. That's not too bad. And it's cute. Sometimes I just forget to wear bracelets, so I'm gonna have to really think about this one because it's $28 and I just don't know if I'm gonna wear it enough, you know? But it is really cute and I really like it actually. Okay, so I'm opening up my little bundle of clothing. Okay, so this is the top that she was talking about, the peplum top. It's actually really cute. It's like a off-white tan, what is this called? Like a picnic blanket. I forget what that term is called. I think it's cute. But let me tell you how much it is and then we'll decide if it's cute or not. Just kidding, kind of. So the olive year peplum top in off-white, it's a size small, is $54. Now, $54 is kind of a lot of money for a top, especially like this top. I feel like I could get this at like Forever 21 for like $14.80 or something. But I am going to try it on and see how I like it. So we shall see. I'll try everything on at the end just so we can get through all of this stuff. Okay, so the next thing in my box is this like red blouse. It's kind of like a flowy-ish top. It seems like it's kind of sexy because it has like a, this little hole Scandalous. And it's a really nice top, you know? Like, I feel like it's nice. I just definitely don't think it's my style. But I'll try it on. Stay tuned, I'll try it on. So the next thing that I have in my box is a dress. So it's kind of like a burgundy cold shoulder dress, and it actually looks really cute. I'm not the biggest like maroon colored fan. I just don't know if this is like a good color for me, but I'll try it on and we'll see. But it's actually a really pretty dress. It has this really pretty flower detail. I will try that on so you guys can see it a little bit better in a bit. These are the jeans that I asked her for. I really was looking for some jeans that had like the little frayed hem at the bottom, and I'm really excited because I mean she listened to my little note, and that's really cool. So these are the jeans. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much the red shirt was. The red shirt, the one that I said kind of wasn't my style, was $38. I probably am not keeping that for sure, but I will try it on and give it a whirl. Is it give it a whirled or give it a whirl? I feel like they both kind of make sense, right? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what it really is. Whirled or whirl? So for the last item that I got are these jeans. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much the freaking dress was. Amie, get it together. The dress in burgundy, the cold shoulder Violetta embroidered dress, is $74. These things are a bit pricey, man. Who do they think I am? And I'm pretty sure I put my price range lower, but maybe they think I got some money to spend over here. Okay, so back on track. The jeans. So these jeans are from cut from the cloth, and they definitely do have the little fringy at the bottom. I just think this is such a cute detail because I think that they look really cute with just like tennis shoes, but then you can take it to nighttime and wear like a really cute wedge or a heel, and I like that you don't have to cuff them, that they're just, you know, short enough. I'm 5'2", so it's kind of hard for me to find jeans that I don't have to cuff or hem, so these look like they're gonna be just the length that I need. They also have this like darker detail on the side of the jeans, which is actually really, really cute, and I think they're high-waisted. So I'm gonna try all of this on so you guys can see things a little bit more clearly. Oh, the jeans are $88. Okay, you guys, so this is the peplum top. It's actually really, really cute. I think it's like a really cute spring piece, even summer. I really like it. Does it make me look like I'm pregnant though? I'm not the biggest peplum fan, just because I feel like it makes you look a little bit wider than you are. So I'm not quite sure, guys. What do you guys think? So this is kind of what it looks like a little bit further away. Am I right though about the whole peplum thing? Like it just kind of makes you look like you're a belle. But these are the jeans. Actually very stretchy. When I first put them on, I was like, these aren't gonna fit. But they're actually very stretchy, and they have the little frayed hem at the bottom. Okay, so this is the red top. It's actually not an ugly top. You know, it's really cute. It's actually longer in the back. It's not really my style, but it's not a terrible shirt. I love the color, but it's just, I don't know. I think this one was 38. Yeah, this one was 38, and I just kind of don't know where I would wear this. You know, it's actually kind of like a, in my opinion, like a early 2000s club shirt. Like this is what you wore to the club back then. And then it kind of like, I'm not going to show you, but it's kind of like really open. Like if I went like this, you would like see stuff that you're not supposed to see. Okay, so this is the dress. It actually isn't bad. The color is not as like bad as I thought it would be. It's pretty cute. I really like the embroiderments. So this is what it looks like. It's not terribly short. And then this is that bracelet. I totally forgot about it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. I think I'm going to take a little bit more time with these pieces and really see if I will wear them, if they're worth the price, etc. This is definitely better than my first box. I think I still need to kind of, you know, talk to her a little bit more and so she could really know my style. But these aren't terrible pieces. The prices are still a little bit high for me, but I don't know, we'll see. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe. So one thing I also forgot to mention that is if you decide to keep your box, you get 25% off your entire box, which is a really good deal, but I didn't like every item in my box, so that's really not gonna apply to me. But you do get a $20 credit off of anything that you decide to keep. So let me know down below your thoughts, your choices. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!